I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time?
Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make red velvet cupcakes. Ever since I shared my red velvet cake recipe, I've gotten a ton of requests to make red velvet cupcakes, so here it is, finally. Also in this video, I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese frosting to pair with the cupcakes. They're going to be absolutely delicious and you guys will love it. So let's get started. Alright guys, to make these cupcakes, you're going to need some cake flour. So I'm using cake flour as opposed to all-purpose flour because cake flour will give you softer, fluffier cupcakes. If you don't have cake flour and all you have is all-purpose flour, I'm going to show you how to convert all-purpose flour into cake flour at home. So much flour. So to make your own cake flour, you're going to need some all-purpose flour. Then you're going to scoop out some of the flour and set that aside. Next, you're going to grab some cornstarch and replace the same amount of flour you just scooped out with cornstarch. I'm gonna leave the exact ingredients and measurements in the description box, so make sure you check those out, okay guys? Go ahead and mix everything together very well, and there you have it, homemade cake flour, super easy to make. Next, into the cake flour, I'm going to add some baking soda, salt, and cocoa powder. Mix everything together until very well incorporated, then we're going to set the dry ingredients aside and mix the wet ingredients. Into my stand mixer goes some softened butter and sugar. I'm gonna whisk these two ingredients together until they're very well combined. Then I'm going to add in some eggs. You want to add your eggs one at a time, that way they can mix in better with the butter. Once the eggs are very well mixed in, you're going to pour in some vegetable oil and buttermilk. The buttermilk will make the cupcakes extra fluffy. Next, we're adding some distilled white vinegar and vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix everything together, then you're going to add the dry ingredients. Make sure you don't overmix the batter, otherwise you'll end up with very tough cupcakes. Once everything is incorporated, you want to stop mixing, okay guys? Next, I'm going to add some red food color. Make sure you use gel food color because a little bit goes a long way and it will give you the absolute vibrant red color, just like this. Next, I went ahead and sprayed my cupcake tins with nonstick spray. I'm lining them with cupcake liners. I'm gonna scoop the batter into each tin. Make sure you don't fill them all the way to the top because they can overflow while they bake and make a big mess. Fill them about 3/4 full, okay guys? You're going to end up with about 18 cupcakes. I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to bake these for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. And here they are, fresh out of the oven. Make sure you transfer them onto a cooling rack to cool completely. While the cupcakes are cooling, I'm going to show you how to make the cream cheese frosting. Into my stand mixer, I'm going to toss in some softened cream cheese and butter. I'm going to whip these two together until they're very light and fluffy and they almost look like they've doubled in volume. Next, toss in some powdered sugar. I'm adding the powdered sugar a little bit at a time to incorporate air into the frosting to give the best texture. Once the powdered sugar is mixed in, you're going to whip this for about 10 minutes. Then you're going to place this in the fridge for about an hour to set. Once the cupcakes have cooled completely, you're going to pipe the frosting onto them and they are ready to be enjoyed.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. killing me to see with someone else what to do. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be.
So I hope you guys enjoyed making this recipe with me today. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hit the bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you soon. Bye!